So if I were to go around over here onto the Microsoft Planner, I have an option to create a new plan from this section. Similarly, in Microsoft Teams as well, you can go ahead under Planner and then see the option for new plan right here, just like this. Click on it, and then what happens is that you simply have access to the templates, as you can see, or you can create from a blank one as well, and then go ahead and utilize the template just like this. And just like with the main planner app right here, you get the same option around over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have, but you have many different options right here. Like you can see that there's schedule charts and so forth right here, with everything share options. But in this one right here, you do see a more basic version right here, but it does it just gets the job done for regular everyday tasks. So you can go ahead and make changes to it as you like right here, just like this, and work around with a Microsoft Planner within Microsoft Teams easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.